it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I was like, what day is it? I feel like it's actually Friday. This has been an extremely long week. Oh my gosh. I think this is the busiest I've been in like a year. This is like Candle Day week for me. Lenny is in town because we filmed the pineapple video. We filmed the stuff for his new channel. My daughter is in a play. I just started working on a new job, and Bath & Body Works releases Halloween and fall all at once. This is like a huge, huge week. So what do I get in the mail? I got another box. So we're going to unbox this. Oh, and Kringle Candle Halloween. Oh my gosh, I just got a huge box of Kringle Candle on my doorstep. It's the new reserve. I think I might have gotten some Halloween already. So we're going to be previewing out a bunch of stuff for Kringle, and I know Goose Creek has got some stuff coming. This is like a huge week, and Homeworks. So I'm just going to dig in. We're going to unbox this. I actually want to talk about the water globe. The water globe, because I know a lot of people have been asking about that. And then there may be a sale tomorrow on the body care. I keep seeing rumors about the sale. If we get early word, I'm going to do a video. You know I'm going to do a video because I'm excited. So let's dig into this. I think this is the remainder of my Halloween body care. I'm hoping. Yes. Okay. This is exciting. Oh, check it out. The trick or treat bag. For some reason, I thought this was a lot bigger. I don't know why, because usually they're this size. Is this glow in the dark? It's a glow in the dark bag. This is cute though. Look at this. Okay. So I had to get the bag. Where's I going to put this bag? Okay. I'm going to set that over there. Okay. We'll get rid of that. Oh, okay. So Midnight Spell in the diamond. No, this is not the diamond. This is the Shimmer Fizz body lotion. I'm going to do a whole video about this stuff. This is the one that comes out really cold. Oh, like that. And then it's kind of crackly, and it's kind of fun. It smells good. Let's see. I also got, finally, I got Vampire Blood and Everlasting Magic in the lotion. Like I said, sometime possibly this weekend, I'm going to do the biggest Halloween video I have ever done because I have so much of the Halloween stuff. We just got to put it all in one place. What the heck? Did I order this? Sweet Sandalwood? I don't think I ordered this. Why did I get Sweet Sandalwood? I basically got a bunch of Halloween stuff too. I got Midnight Spell in the shower gel. Got Vampire Blood in the shower gel. I gotta start taking some pictures of all this stuff. I got Vampire Blood in the soap. I got Ghoul Friend. I got Perfect Pumpkin. And then I also got, why is this leaking? I got the Vampire Blood in the gel. So this was today's order. I still think I am missing a lot of stuff. I don't know why. I feel like I should have an Everlasting Magic in the shower gel, which I don't. I'm going to go on the Halloween right now, and we still have a lot of stuff missing. I'm going to turn on the buy online, pay in store, or I always say that wrong. Buy online, pick up in store. I don't know why I always say pay in store. I always get that wrong. I never really do it. I'm just looking to see what they have. I'm really after the snake is what I'm trying to get. I'm actually going to put a picture up because I have a friend who went to the Mayfield Bath & Body Works here in Ohio, and she was able to get her hands on that snake that goes around the fine fragrance mist, which everyone is asking about. Seriously. I mean, I don't know where it is. Oh, there's the Creepy Carriage. It's called the Creepy Carriage. I've been just calling it the Carriage. I'm not seeing the Creepy Carriage in the Water Globe online. I'm still waiting for the globe with the hand, but I have more coming. I think I have more coming. This has been, to me, one of the most confusing Halloween rollouts, not just because I've been really busy, but I just feel like there's like a lot of stuff coming in. There's stuff not available, and there's just a lot of stuff. Can we just say there's a lot of stuff? So what I'm going to do, because I know a lot of people, are still interested in summer, so we're still going to talk about, some of the summer products. We are going to talk about Halloween. I'm going to review each and every product that I got, because there's a lot of stuff. I mean, we're going to go through everything, and then I'm going to start digging into fall, because I know a lot of people are excited about all the fall stuff. Another question was, when is fall landing in the store? You actually have to look for it really carefully online. It's not super obvious. You kind of have to search. My store had all the fall out in the store, and a lot of people didn't. So I'm not really sure when fall is officially rolling out, but I was really happy to get my hands on so much of the fall stuff, including the new leaves, which I have to do a first impression of. A lot of people are excited about this Together Weather. This is going to be a good one. I like it already, but there's a lot of exciting stuff happening for fall, and this is only fall 1. We got more fall coming. So I'm just going to keep doing videos. We're going to roll everything out. I'm going to do my unboxings, obviously, and then we're going to start to talk about individual pieces as we move along.